Hey, this is Seb from socialanxietysolutions.com. I'm going to keep it very short because super busy. We just closed Social Conference Club registration and it is popping, so I'm going to keep it really short, but I still wanted to share something with you. So I asked one of our team members to scroll through the comment section underneath the Masterclass Series videos. That's a word, sure. And to scout for insights that people reported. And I picked one of them. It goes like this, by David. The biggest insight I got from this video is that there's a difference between caring about what other people think about you and worrying about it. For me, these two concepts have always blended into each other. So I'm happy to hear someone create a sharp distinction between them. So yes, there's a big difference between that. I'm not worried about what people think of me. So when I'm sitting in a cafe and I'm having a conversation with my friend, I'm not worried about what other people are thinking about the conversation that I'm having with my friend. However, if I were to have let's just say, conversation that isn't really appropriate to a child's ears, then I do care enough to not be an asshole and start talking about that while someone is sitting with her kid next to me. See, so I care, but I'm not worried about it. That's the big difference. So you can get to that place by addressing the worry, releasing the worry, caring about other people. That's natural, that's normal, that's part of your system. Worrying, that's a pattern that's started, that's somewhere stuck in your brain, and you can release that. All right, that's it. Hope this insight is helpful to you, and I'm going to connect with you very soon, and I wish you a great week. Bye for now.